both most dear. They promise now, hand in hand, to ride with care across the land. Dr. Bear says loud and clear, slow and steady, safe my dear. Kids all shout, we understand, no more racing in the sand.
They repair, repaint, and make them
Their
brand
bikes
new.
with oil and glue, pink and red, beer, pink and blue. Stickers say helmet, hero crew. They look so proud and new. Ooh, helmets tight, pads in place. Now they ride at a gentle pace. Through the park they sing and play, safe and happy every day. Sign says racing is not cool, safety's the golden rule. They shout together, hearts that glow, we'll ride with care wherever we go. Dr. Bear gives medals bright, safe rider shine in morning light. Parents cheer from far and near, no more speed, hooray my dear. They ride back home with gentle sound, happy hearts all safe and sound. Beating's fun until you fall.
Helmets on and hearts so.
And when morning came and sun rises, they all give message